And we're back to do it again. Let's get in these two Cryptid Fall first edition packs. Let's see what we got in here, guys. We'll start with the purple pack. I don't know this game name. Hopefully these packs not as tough. Well, I remember, of course, as tough as Digimon packs. Do I do a card trick on here? I think I do. I normally always go with a Pokemon card trick, but hey, what do you know? The guy we just seen on the pack, what is his name? Bellwitch. Let's go. Dynamite token. Ocean. Force or trying to keep these, keep the camera focused and read the cards off the camera. On the camera. Napa, Rebobs, Llama Lake Monster. Look at this guy. Look like this guy's a trick-or-treater. Halloween Ghost Sheet. Bubble and Brew. What is that? I don't know what the hell. I can barely see. Well, let's keep going. Torrential River looks like, I don't know. The Zombie Apocalypse. Oh, I thought that was a hollow almost. I know they hollows don't look like that. Cool looking card though. Cool looking card. And the reverse hollow is Obsidian Obelisk. Have a crazy looking obelisk, guys. Alright, cool opening. Nice little hit, I'll say. Let's jump into the next one. Sit those guys over there. I got things everywhere, man. If I switch this camera around, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. I gotta get some sleeves out, man. Normally do it after the video, immediately. Let's get into this pack. Guess that card trick does work for this, like it does Pokemon, because the hit was in the back. So let's get into it. Oh my goodness, Hell's Gate. Somewhere I don't want to go. I don't think any one of you guys want to go there. Tentacle Token. Suburban. Cool looking card. I actually drew something like that. I was drawing my grandmother's old neighborhood. I had a crazy dream about damn UFOs dropping some weird stuff out. But I want to show, family members that I talked with. Was trying to give them an idea of that dream, but that's exactly how I kind of drew it out. Oh my goodness, Mermaid Shimmer. Watch out, guys. Poltergeist coming. Watch out. Watch out for this guy. Bloody Bones. Oh my goodness. Look at this dude. AK-40. Nah, not even an AR for that guy. AR, maybe a couple of remote mines. Earth's Binding. Dispel Evil. And last but not least, the hit card. The Bandaged Man of Cannon Beach. Reverse hollow. Looks crazy. So we couldn't get no hollows out of here, but the reverses, I tell you, man, reverses still look badass. Still look badass. Can't complain about it. But that's it for this Metazoo opening, guys. Adios, amigos. Keep the most high first. Hope you enjoyed. And I am out of here. See you.